welcome back to my channel. My name is Becca. For those of you who don't know me, nice to meet you. I'm so glad that you decided to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy my attempts at vlogging. I will get so much better at it. It'll take me some time. And I just got off work and I'm getting ready to head out. We've got some new flooring and that requires some new ways to take care of the floors. So I'm gonna go look at some hardwood floor like vacuums. I watched a video about how to properly take care of hardwood floor. And well, you can't use your regular vacuum because of the bristles or whatever. It's like too thick and it'll mess up the floors. So we have to get a specific one that's meant for hardwood floors. So I am fixing to go buy me the Dyson V8. This is not sponsored, by the way. I want the best for it, so yeah, that's kind of the plan. Again, we pick up our puppy and I'm so excited. I'm sure that Peppa is excited too. She has no idea what's coming, but I'm sure she's gonna love having a little friend that she can spend time with throughout the day. So yeah, it'll be fun. Anyways, let's head over to Target. So off we go, and so one of the reasons also that we decided to get a dog, I said this in my last video, but my mom has a dog at home and Peppa loves going over there. Like, we literally mention his name and she's like, she goes crazy, like she's ready to go. So we're like, we need to get another dog. And like, we've always wanted to have a bunch of dogs at home. So us buying a house like permitted that. So yeah. Alright, so I was supposed to go to Target, but I missed my exit, so I went to Walmart instead, and hopefully they have it here. So, they don't have it at Walmart, and they don't have it at Target. I just checked online, so they're out literally everywhere. But you know what? Your girl has a positive mind, positive attitude, and if I don't find it tomorrow at Target, I'm just gonna order it online. I'll just be patient and wait for it to come in the mail. All right, we've arrived to my mom's house. Look who's waiting for me. That's my grandma. She can't see me. She's like, who is that sitting out there? All right, guys, we've arrived at my mom's house, so get ready to see how Peppa reacts with the other dog. There she goes. Peppa, you want to see Jax? Let's go see Jax. All right. She opened the door. Hi, Grandma. I have a quick message from my grandma.
Like and to subscribe this channel.
Made it to Pinstack with Grandma. We're gonna make her ball. Yay!
So we're gonna go to the bumper cars, right? And then my grandma here.
Guess who's also going on the bumper cars?
Woo!
I have the coolest grandma ever. She just did the bumper cars with us. Right, Grandma? Hi. Alright guys, just got out of church. I didn't film at church because I got there like like 5 minutes till service started, so say hi to the vlog.
Yo.
But yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat and then we'll get our puppy. Hi. We just got our puppy. Hello. There he is. Everyone meet Rafa. On to the next clip where Peppa meets him. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're gonna go ahead and spend time now with our dogs and each other. And if you would like to see more of these types of videos, more vlogs, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the little notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video goes up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I post a lot more than I do on YouTube, so follow me there if you'd like to see a little bit more of my life. Alright guys, until next time.